Hey, my name is Gabriel. I'm the co-founder of BAG, and I've just heard about Expertrons and the amazing work that you guys are doing. We really appreciate the way that you're looking at peer-to-peer mentoring and how to scale that into a whole different level where we can help young people in all different kinds of situations in life to acquire mentorship from the absolute best. We've seen how this solution that you've created is fully scalable, super amazing, and really inspiring to see how I, as a small startup owner, can get inspiration from, just as you showed me, Steve Jobs or any other expert in my field or in my sector that I can relate to. Thank you very much.